Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill Competition Cars. So today I'm bringing to you a 1961 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Factory white car with factory red and white two-tone leather bucket seats. Matches the cowl, legit real car here. Showing 93,000 miles. Believe that to be the right miles. Car has had some reconditioning, as you can see. But it is the correct color combination, interior and exterior. Beautiful interior, very eye appealing. Door cards look good. No rust up under there. When I do the driving video, I'll go over anything that may or may not work. I spent a lot of money, guys. I spent close to $11,000 on this car in recon because I wanted everything to work the best that I could. So we did everything we could to get it as right as we could. All right, back of the seats. Typically get all scratched up. I refinished these, they look fantastic. Bright work has a little patina here and there, nothing super crazy. But overall it looks really nice. Just showing you any little blems that I can find. Back seats, excellent condition. All the panels on the side look great. Carpet's very clean. Header panels, no rust or anything. Just a gorgeous car. Who doesn't love a 61 Cadillac convertible? You can have just as much fun with this as you can a 1960 that you get a 60 Eldorado convertible, you're talking close to 200K in this kind of condition. This car is nice. It's not a number 10 car. It's not a concourse car, but like I said, we spent a lot of money to elevate every inch of this car that we could to make it as nice as possible for you guys so we can present a nice product. Power seats, power windows, again, factory air. Door cards look good. No rust up under there. Again, the back of the seats, those normally you'll see those being chipped or scratched. Had those refinished to make it look really nice. Just a really attractive color combination. It's not a red, it's not a burgundy, it's kind of an in-between, but it looks really good. Steering wheel's in nice condition. Again, some patina on some of the trim pieces, nothing crazy, but enough to mention it to you. Love that it's a factory air car. I mean, I don't know what more you could ask for, guys. I'm gonna call the clock and radio not working. There's an aftermarket radio in the trunk. That does work, to my knowledge, but I'd rather have a non-working original. A lot of people put an aftermarket Bluetooth system where you can't see it. Probably what I do with this car, because I love the way the factory radios look versus the aftermarkets. Little patina on the steering wheel, nothing crazy. Top of the horn, well, that actually the horn are here, but the top of the center bezel looks good. So there it is, guys. Stay tuned for an exterior walk around, going over the paint. I've already done an engine bay video, and then we'll be doing an undercarriage as well. So the engine bay looks great, undercarriage looks great. Just a really nice car. So stay tuned for much more, guys. Have a great day.